Flexible, reliable network connectivity is vital for industrial operations. That's why Red Lion's N-Tron Series NT24K all-Gigabit managed switches provide the gold standard for industrial networking. Designed to maximize media options, network speed, and switch management, our rugged NT24K platform meets and exceeds industrial networking requirements to enable customers to do more across industrial Internet of Things applications that include factory automation, alternative energy, power, utilities, transportation, and oil and gas. For more information about Red Lion's products, please visit Galco.com.